Okay, so I am making this video and hoping that it'll help somebody else in my situation. So this is a Maytag Epic Z. It's an older model, I would say probably from about 2007 or 8. So anyway, the latch on the door started to not close. So as you can see, the plastic gasket is warped and the door won't stay closed. So I jumped a little bit ahead of myself before I realized I was going to make this video, and I removed several screws that hold the exterior plastic panel in place. You can see where the empty holes are, that there are no longer any screws. So what happens is you remove the screws with the regular Phillips screwdriver, which I have right here. Just a regular plain old little Phillips screwdriver, and you remove the screws, which allows you to take off the part that helps you close the door and protect it. So I've already done that, and it's right here. You can see that it's been removed and it came off really easily. So on Amazon I ordered this packet of replacement parts. So I put a towel down so I wouldn't scratch my floor. Anyway, so here's the package of replacement parts. And this is what it says, and that's the number, and it says latch. It's for the latch. So you turn it over and you've got several pieces to choose from. And the deal is, what I read on some of the forums is you remove the part that's bad and it looks like it's gonna match that gold one. So you remove the part. So this one's so messed up that I was able I'm just gonna be able to just pull it out. So you can see it's out. But that part in the middle is what keeps the door closed. So I'm gonna make sure that I find the matching part. And they say that you're supposed to match this back part with the replacement piece. So it looks like it's gonna match that gold one right there. So I'm going to take these pieces apart, open the bag, and try and put things back together, and I'll be back. Okay, so I've opened the bag of replacement parts. See, again, it's for the latch. And so these are the parts that were in the bag right here. And so this one looks like it matches the one that I took off the best. So I'm going to use this one. This is the new one right here. And this is the old messed up one. So from what the forum said is you just grab this piece and push it through the back, and it's got those clips on it that are going to hold it into place. And it looks like that's all it's going to take to replace the latch and keep my dryer door from opening while the dryer's doing its thing. Okay, I'm going to move over to the dryer and we'll see what we got. Okay, so we're back at the dryer, and all I need to do is open the door and push this part through from the front. So I'm going to try and do that now. I don't think it's going to be difficult. So you just pop it in with some force. There you go. Here, snap. Okay, so there it is. It's in place, so I can test it out with the door not fully assembled, and it latches. Good deal. And so the kit also came with the part to replace this. I don't think that needs to be replaced on mine, so I'm just gonna leave it alone and see how it goes. If it ends up needing to be replaced, hey, I've got the part, it came in the kit, and I'll go from there. But it seems like this is going to be enough to get it done. And forgive my washer, which is just as old as my dryer, and it's not as quiet as it used to be. So I'm going to get this plastic cover back on, and so it latches here. This piece here at the end, this plastic part hooks into there and just makes like a clamshell. So hopefully I can do it easily while I have the phone in my hand. It's like this going in. There you go. Okay, I'm back. So putting that clamshell door back on was more than a one-handed operation. So I have it in place, and I'll show you the first screw that I put back was this one on the top of the door. And that seems to hold the whole thing in place as you go around and attach the other screws. So I'm going to try and do this one-handed. Probably not going to do that great a job. This is my first video as well. And then these other ones go in these other holes. So you're gonna have to make sure they all line up as you put everything back together. So I'm gonna do that and show you the finished product. Okay, so here we are with everything back in place, all the screws. Like I said, this one was a longer screw than all the others. So I put this one back and it seemed to hold everything in place just on its own. These other screws I replaced, and that helps just, you know, of course, secure everything back together. You want everything back in place, everything that you removed. And so I came all the way around and put all the screws back. And on this side, I'm not sure if I showed much earlier, but you can see there's like too many screws to even think straight. And so there's another latch there. So I'm assuming at some point there's a way that you can switch the door open and closure, like open right or open left. But anyway, so I removed the top screw, this one, and then this bottom screw. Why I removed those, I don't know. I just got lucky and instinct just said, just take those off. No clue. Because too many to take off. And I thought, well, let me go with the least amount possible to see if I get the results I want. So it worked out. So hopefully this video helps somebody else in my situation, because there was not a video made specifically for this type of dryer that was having the problems that I was having. So this was, again, a Maytag Epic Z dryer that had the door latch right here not working. So as you can see, I will close it and it latches, and it takes a little bit of resistance to open it. Not like before. Before it was just not even closing. Anyway, good luck. I hope this helps someone. Have a great day.